What if your biggest money problem isn't your job, your bills, or your income, but a hidden belief you picked up years ago? Most people chase financial success while secretly holding on to thoughts that quietly sabotage their growth. These beliefs don't just slow you down, they block you completely. In this video, we're exposing the top 5 money beliefs that wreck your financial growth, and more importantly, how to break free from them. These beliefs seem harmless, even logical, but they're costing you real progress, year after year. And stick with me until the end, because once you drop these beliefs, you'll unlock a new mindset that naturally attracts wealth. Let's get into it. 1. Belief: you can't make all the money in the world. Sounds obvious, right? But this isn't just a casual truth, it's often an excuse. When people say this, what they really mean is, why bother trying if I can't get everything? This mindset creates a fake limit in your mind. It tells you that ambition is pointless and that wanting more makes you greedy. But let's get real, you don't need all the money in the world, you need enough to reach your goals. Think about this, have you actually calculated how much money you need for the life you want? Is it $100,000? $1 million? Be specific. Once you define your financial target, suddenly it becomes a goal, not a fantasy. Instead of saying, I can't have it all, try asking, how can I get what I truly need? This simple shift turns your brain into a problem solver instead of a dream killer. Remember, people who grow rich don't want everything. They want enough, with purpose. And enough is always possible when you stop treating success like a mythical treasure. 2. Belief: not everyone is born to be rich. This belief sounds humble, but it's secretly poisonous. It tells you that wealth is tied to luck, family background, or some magic gene you missed out on. The truth? Most wealthy people weren't born into money. They weren't financial geniuses. They just kept learning, adjusting, and taking action while others stayed stuck in doubt. If you think success is something other people are born for, ask yourself, who told you that? A struggling relative? A school system that praised conformity? A fear of standing out? Wealth isn't reserved for the chosen few, it's built by those who believe they can earn it. Surround yourself with examples of ordinary people doing extraordinary things. Read their stories. Learn how they started with less than you and still made it happen. When you stop telling yourself you're not one of them, you start becoming one of them. And that's where real change begins. 3. Belief: there are no good opportunities these days. This one is sneaky because it often feels true, especially if you've been through tough times. Maybe you've looked around and said, it's too late, or things were easier years ago. But here's the catch, every generation thinks that. People said it in 1990. They said it in 2008. They're still saying it now. But while some people say there are no opportunities, others are out there building businesses, creating digital income, and changing their lives. The difference isn't the economy, it's your willingness to see possibilities. The truth is, today's tools, like online businesses, investing apps, freelancing, and even AI support, make it easier than ever to start small and grow. The only thing stopping you is a belief that opportunity has expired. Start exploring. Look into trends, new skills, and low-cost tools. Challenge yourself to find one new income idea this week. You'll be surprised how quickly no opportunity turns into new option. 4. Belief: you should live for today. Now, this sounds fun, and it kind of is. But it's dangerous when taken too far. Yes, life is short. But using that as a reason to blow your budget, skip savings, and ignore future plans is like driving without brakes just because the engine works. Living for today often leads to habits like impulsive spending, no emergency fund, or ignoring your health. It feels freeing, until your rent's due or a medical bill lands in your inbox. So what's the fix? Replace live for today with plan for joy. That means build a lifestyle that lets you enjoy today while protecting tomorrow. Save for trips, but don't skip retirement. Enjoy dinners out, but not on credit. Planning isn't boring, it's empowering. It lets you enjoy more with less stress. You're not cutting joy, you're adding stability. Make a habit of planning out your week, your money, and your time. It doesn't kill spontaneity, it helps you afford it. 5. Belief: you can only trust banks with your money. This one feels responsible, safe, grown up. But if your only plan is to put your money in a bank and hope it grows, you're actually losing money. Most savings accounts earn less interest than inflation. That means every dollar sitting in your account is shrinking in real value year after year. Of course, banks are great for storing your money securely. But they shouldn't be your only tool. To grow your money, you need more than a vault, you need a strategy. Start by learning about simple investments, savings bonds, index funds, or even gold if you want low-risk options. Many of these are available right inside your banking app with just a few clicks. And you don't need thousands to start. Even $10 invested in the right fund can begin building momentum. It's not about being a Wall Street pro, it's about being smarter than inflation. Break the myth that safe means stagnant. Trust banks for safety, but trust yourself to grow your money, too. Bonus shift, replace work harder, earn more with work smarter equals build more. One of the biggest myths out there is that hustle alone leads to wealth. And yes, hard work matters. But non-stop grind without smart direction leads to burnout, not bank growth. Instead of doubling your workload, double your skills. Optimize your time. Automate where possible. Set goals, not just alarms. Money doesn't reward sweat, it rewards strategy. And when you combine effort with clarity, that's when things take off. There you go, 5 money beliefs that look innocent on the surface but secretly hold you back from financial success. It's wild how thoughts like, "I'm not meant for this," or "it's too late," seem comforting, but actually freeze you in place. But the best part? These beliefs aren't permanent. You can change them, today. Awareness is the first step. Action is the second. And this video is your invitation to take both. So like, share, and hit that subscribe button if this video helped you even a little. Please drop a comment about this. What money belief should AI help you fix next? I shall discuss this in the next video. Thanks for watching.